we're finally getting plates for the Miata.
My hair's going in my eyes. What car is that? That thing looks nice. Montana?
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mendy here. Today, we're finally getting plates for the Miata. My title came in. It took about, I want to say, 3 to 8 weeks for the title to come in. So we're going to go to the DMV and get some plates for this thing. And then all I got left to do is get insurance for it, and we could drive it around. So let's go.
Today's actually a really nice day compared to how it's been like the past couple of weeks. We've had highs of like 75 the past couple of weeks. And in the morning, I want to take it out to work, but in the morning it's like 45 degrees. But I go out to work, even my windshield on my car's all frosted up, so I'm not taking the bike in that weather. The afternoon isn't so bad, 75. Yeah, I mean, I'm just excited to start driving the Miata. I haven't really been able to take it out too much since I don't have plates. I'm getting kind of tired of just driving it around in the neighborhood. I'm hoping the DMV line isn't too long. I mean, it's a weekday at about like 1 or 2 p.m., so there shouldn't be that many people, I hope. Guys at the DMV. Yeah, I don't have a lot of plans with the Miata at the moment. I'm kind of just trying to save money, which is a funny thing to say after buying something like that. But I'm kind of just trying to drive it around first. I want to learn how to drive it, see if I even really enjoy it, you know, which, I mean, the couple times I've taken it out, like, you know, in the neighborhood and going to the inspection place, it was really fun. I'm just not sure if that's something that I want to keep doing. I'm just not sure if that's something I want to, you know, really commit to that much, you know. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm still thinking about getting a new bike, too. I mean, I'm really enjoying this one. I mean, it's a little dated, but it gets the job done, man. I mean, I love this thing. But I don't know if you guys saw, but the new R9 got revealed. And I was really excited for it, you know, before it got revealed. I just kept seeing like rumors and leaks on it and stuff. Because at first, before I got the ZX6R, I wanted the new 2022 at the time, the XSR 900. Basically just a retro style MT-09. You know, it came with that same crossplane triple, the CP3 from the MT-09. I think it's like off your swing arm, so you're not wheeling as easy. And I love that like retro cafe style of bikes. And so I was really considering getting that before I got this, and I saw this up for a really good deal. So I decided to just get this. I wasn't, you know, I had a Ninja 650 before this, and I pretty much just paid what I paid for that, or what I sold the 650 for. We are here, so I will be right back. Let me go grab the plates. That's nice. Cappuccino, man. That's fucking sick. Alright, just gotta go to the mall. Gonna get my buddy a birthday present. So, and we'll go home, put those plates on. What car is that? Is that a Lotus? I'm gonna get behind it, man. I think that's a Lotus. It looks newer though. What, Evora? I'm not too familiar with what models they make now, so I'm gonna go with Evora, because honestly I'm not sure. And my head's going to my eyes. Ooh, Taco Bell. Maybe some Taco Bell, man. Doritos, Locos Tacos. I love those. What is that car, man? The CRV's gotta get out the way. I just want to see what it is. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I can see what it looks like. I want to say it is a Lotus, but yeah, it is a Lotus. What model is it though? That's what I want to know. Oh, we're coming up on a stop here. I can't read that. I think it's an Evora. Evora GT? Did I get it right? Let's see, let's see. Yep, Evora. Does that say GT though? What does that say? I think it's fucking sick though. Oh, that thing looks nice. Montana? Golly. Far drive, man. Yeah, Evora GT, man. That thing's nice. That thing's... woo! Oh, Culver's just got their, they got a limited time thing. They got a Curder burger. It's called the Curder burger. It's pretty good. It's basically just a burger patty with a big ass cheese curd just on top of it. So let's think of a double burger, but instead of another burger, it's just a cheese curd, a flat cheese curd. I think it's so good. Close my visor because I don't really have money, no cash. Ooh, that feels nice. I think JCPenney's the one that's connected to where I want to go. So we're gonna go into JCPenney, explore a little bit. It's fun. Oh, I'll be right back again. Honda Odyssey. Like I said, guys, we did get the plates. So we're gonna go ahead and stick these on now. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully next video of the Miata, you guys will see me driving it. But yeah, I mean, we got the license plate. I just gotta get insurance, so I'll do that now. And yeah, we're pretty much good to go. Well, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.